Hey guys, so today I got this board that I put on some carpeting and board on the top, and I have no idea what I did with this in the past, but I didn't throw it away because I keep my scrap stuff. But today I'm going to use this board with the carpeting to use it as a base to make my closet here in the Sienna camper. Let's give it a shot. All right, so what I want to do is I want to have the board as the base right here, and that carpeting is going to be great because it's going to slide in and out with the car seat. And the idea is that um, the closet would slide as the seat slides. So I'm going to build it like right here, but um, when I'm driving and the person, there's a passenger, the person could still go fully back. But when you're in camping mode and you want the room to walk in and out, you'll be able to bring the chair all the way up, and the closet will still come up to something like right here. Haven't decided how far out yet, but that's the idea. We'll see if it works. Okay, so with this base, I'm going to line it up right here, and I'm going to build the wall around the back. And of course, the front, I need to have access to hang up clothes and things like that, so I can't put up a wall on both sides. Um, and then there'll be a wall that comes up to, I don't know, maybe right here or so. All right, so it'll be something like this. I guess if it's too big, I could chop it down later. We'll give it a shot. All right, so that's what it's looking like right now. Here's the inside wall. And now I need to make this side wall. This side wall is going to be the main support so that this doesn't fall forward, because I need the other side open so that I could put clothes in and out. All right, got that piece. Okay, here's that piece that I just cut out. It's that trapezoidal piece. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here, and it's going to angle a little bit with the chair. It's going to go something like that. Let's screw it in. There's the box. That's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, next up is putting on this top. I'm going to screw that in. Okay, so that top is in. And next up, I need to have a support right here, or else it'll just be too soft when you start hanging clothes or stuff. So I need a angle support. Right, so there's that support. I wanted to be aggressive with this. I didn't want to make it too big because I wanted space to move things in and out. Hopefully I don't regret being too aggressive. All right, that's the way it looks. So the idea is that I would put clothes on a hanger here, and down there would be room for shoes and assorted stuff you could just throw in. So let's kind of finish up some support around here, put in a hanger rod, and then we'll test it out. All right, so I put on this back piece for the curtain rod and another support here, and this is also going to be what grabs onto the chair so it can slide in and out. Let's look inside. I got the rod brackets, so I'm going to cut a PVC and put it right there. All right, curtain rod. Let's make sure the hanger can go in. All right, good. Let's put it in the car. All right, so that's the way it looks in the car. I think it actually looks pretty good. So, I'm not going to put a whole wardrobe, but a few items hung up. And let's look at the bar here. See, this bar I was going to attach to this hook right here, so that that will pull the whole unit in and out with the chair. So let's do that and test it out. All right, so here I have a strap, and I have it hooked on underneath the seat, and I got these things from my junk drawer. I have no idea where I got it from. They're just random hooks, and I'm gonna use them to put the straps around so that I can slide the chair in and out. All right, so I got this strap on that hook like I said, and I have the straps underneath to those 2 anchor hooks right there. So let's give it a test to see if it works. So this is the forward position, and here's the back position. Great. That's fully back. Slides with the chair. So this is kind of like in the normal driving position. I think it's pretty good. All right, up next, let's take it all out and sand down everything, because I've been getting splinters everywhere, and we'll pretty this up a little bit. All right, so instead of painting, I'm going to use some of that wallpaper that I used previously, and hopefully I have enough to cover this. All right, so that's good enough. Wallpapering is harder than you think. But let's put it back in and then put some clothes in to see what it looks like. All right, that's the way it looks. Not too bad. Top, inside. I toyed with the idea of painting the inside, but nah, I'm too lazy for that. All right, let's take a look. In my couples camper, people were always asking, where do you put your clothes? Well, that's a camper, so I just leave my clothes in a backpack. But here, this is a full-time build, so I got a full-time mini closet. So let's, so you could see that the space here is narrow when the chair is pulled all the way back, but when you're in camping mode, we could slide everything forward. So let's test that out. All right, so this is with the seat fully back. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, actually, that wasn't fully back. That's fully back. There's no room at all when it's fully back. So let's slide it all the way up. So now you got a little bit more room to get in between. And you can still sit down with your feet. Not bad.